Hello, everybody. I'm Kathy Elliott, an independent Stork sales consultant, and I am doing this in my VIP group. So I might say hello to somebody who pops on or mention a comment that is made. And I just want to welcome you to this magic time of spring cleaning with Norwex, doing it the Norwegian way. Yay! Let's start with the cloth that started everything. It is the Enviro cloth. Yes, here we go. This is the tag, and yes, it's a little dark because this one is a darker cloth. So it might be a little hard to see the word Enviro on here, but it is the Enviro cloth, and it is an amazing cloth. So if you unravel this cloth, it would go from Canada down to the Gulf of Mexico. It's amazing how much thread is in here. 1/200th of a strand of hair is each fiber. Just imagine one hair cut into 200 parts. Amazing. And at the end of each of those tiny little threads is a star-like cut, and that's what takes up everything, and it soaks it all up just right off the surface. It is awesome. Makes cleaning with water spectacular. And when you clean with just water in a cloth, of the Norwex Enviro cloth, the microfiber is helping to clean 99% of the surface, so it's getting 99% clean of all of the stuff that's on there. That would include the bacteria in that. And then this cloth is so magic because it has microsilver in it, and the microsilver is blended with the microfiber, and that stops the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria in the cloth. So it self-sanitizes. So while it's wet and laying there, it's not growing a new population of ooh that you don't want to be spreading around your house. You use this on every surface, and we say E for everything. We are talking spring cleaning, and we're going to remind ourselves that we can do this step every single day, and especially when somebody comes home with some sort of we don't know what disease they brought home. Usually it's the common cold, but even the common cold can make some people really sick. So the high touch areas I'm going to start with, and we're going to find the doorknob. There it is, and the light switch over there too. Okay, so the doorknobs, remember your doorknobs. Get those cleaned, and if you want to, you can dry it off with the polishing cloth, but you don't need to do that because it's just water, right? Yeah, that's easy. Not that cleaning solution stuff that can make people sick, and especially when you think about windows. Ew. We don't want anybody touching that stuff, especially kids and pets. The nose art, the tongue licking, and even the kids who are cleaning the glass with their tongues because they think that's really cool, making some saliva art. I know, they think it's fun. Then you can hand them an EnviroCloth and let them clean it off, and you know that it's safe because it's just water. It's awesome. So let's talk about the high touch areas. These are things that we can do every day. And getting those light switches clean. But right now it's really a good time to remember. And you can quickly wipe down the wall around it as well and make sure the wall is getting cleaned. Okay, so let's come on into my bathroom. So I do have a smaller home, and that is all right with me. Okay, so I made some more visible stains of toothpaste up here because it doesn't always show up very well in the camera. But I wanted to show you really quick. Just the window cloth by itself, getting it damp. I have a damp corner here. Can you see that that part's wet? I'll just get it a little more wet. Maybe now you can see that it's wet. Right here, I'm going to use that spot, just to spot clean my mirror. I have my cloth folded up. All right, so let's get in here and watch this magic happen. So, the wet spot, cleaning that off. Isn't that awesome? Just look how clean the glass looks. Now, all you got to do is flip it over to a dry side and dry that off. And you can do this all over in your home. So easy. Getting your cloth wet and coming back. And let's just say there was a whole bunch of more stuff, or, you know, if you have the hairspray users in your home, I used to have that. Take your wet EnviroCloth and do the whole mirror. The same thing with your windows, especially this time of year. Spot cleaning isn't going to work. We need to get the grime off, the winter storm dust stuff off, all of that. Get up here and dry this mirror. And you will just dry your windows the same way. So this is the basic set. And you really need to have that for everywhere in your home. And I'm going to show you something else. This is, I'm going to bend down here for just a second. Oh, misplaced my cloth. I'm going to get out a different one. I don't know where I threw it at. Well, isn't this a little embarrassing? Where'd it go? Oh no. Well, what I was going to show you is that I use it dry. And here's my yellow one. My blue one is, and so is this yellow one, from 2011 when I first got started or introduced to Norwex. And I just sat there like so grumpy, like what is this thing, this lady talking about? And what is this stuff? And I think my friend is being scammed. Yeah. And here I am in 2026, still so excited to share it. So you take this cloth dry. So the EnviroCloth, instead of wet, take it dry into the tub, into the shower, and dry out. Sorry, that was the door slamming shut on my cupboard. This is, take it and dry out your tub and get it all cleaned while it's still wet. And it's going to pick up the hair and anything else that's still left in the tub, in the shower. And while, of course, you're using the Dry Enviro, cleaning up the hair, and it just sticks to it so well because it's easier to pull it out because the cloth is then only slightly damp instead of completely wet. And you've dried out your shower, dried out your tub, collected the hair and anything else left, and then you just rub it together and shake out the hair into your trash can, and voila, easy peasy way to spot clean your shower and tub right after using it. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this little video and have come up with some ways that you're going to use the EnviroCloth throughout your home. And you let me know, what are some ways that you use to clean it? Is it the carpet stains really quick? Is it in the refrigerator? Are you doing your windows? Are you doing them more frequently because it becomes so much easier? Or maybe still just seasonally? Or the, oh my gosh, that window absolutely needs cleaned today, and that's the day you do it? Let me know. I would love to hear back from you. And again, I am Kathy Elliott, an independent Norwex sales consultant who has been so excited to share this product since I began as a consultant in January of 2011, and so thankful for my friend in 2010. I might have said 2011 earlier, but it was in 2010 when my friend invited me to her home for a party. The best way to experience Norwex with all of your friends hanging around with you, and you're all just going, what is this magic that we're looking at? So you can connect with me anytime at www.norwex.com/Kathy, Kathy, Elliott, Elliott. That is my website, and you can connect to me from there. And thanks so much for joining me at this time, and I hope you're doing some spring cleaning.